Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this super gorgeous tea light holder which is made in snowflake shape using paper quilling strips, and I will share each and every step in detail. I have used here all shades of blues and whites just to match with the winter theme. Isn't it looking very pretty? And it will enhance the beauty of your cozy corner in upcoming Christmas festival. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 10 cm diameter cardboard circle, and this cardboard I got from chocolate box. So I'm just joining two cardboard pieces together to make stiff base. Now taking little bigger blue color craft paper than this circle and sticking it on the cardboard base. So first sticking it in the center, then from edge I am just cutting small fringes and sticking it on top using glue. So this is done. Then on top of this I am adding one more blue color paper circle just to finish my base, and the tea light holder base is completely ready. Keeping it aside, then here I am taking two more small 4 cm diameter cardboard circles, just joining both the pieces together, and on top of this I am adding same size white color cardstock circle. It will be the center of our tea light on which we can put our candle tea light or battery tea light. Then on the edge I am just sticking 5 mm white color strip, and here I am going to join total 3 strips. And this is ready. Now taking back my blue color base and sticking the tea light center base exactly in the center area of blue circle. Just measuring from all the sides. It should have equal distance, and after you are okay, just press it nicely and firmly and the base is ready. Then I am starting with my first quilling design. For this, here I am taking half strip of navy blue color in 3 mm and just wrapping it around my quilling tool and making one ring shape. Now pinching on both the sides of rings and making leaf ring shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of shapes. Then taking back my base, and around the center part I am going to stick these leafy patterns. And this is ready. Now for the next shape, here I am taking half strip of blue and 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. Wrapping the petal using white color strip, and the petal is ready. Similarly, I have prepared lots of Malaysian flower petals. Then taking back my base again, and between each leaf pattern I am going to stick 2 Malaysian flower petals like this in a V shape. So this is also done, looking very pretty. Then for my next shape, here I am taking one strip of white color and making one leaf shape. So in total we need 6 leaf shapes. After that, for next shape I am taking half strip of medium blue color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Similarly, created 2 more pointed teardrops using 1/4 strip of medium blue color. So just joining 3 petals together. And these also we need 6 in quantity. Just holding it using paper clip so that it will adhere nicely. And taking back the base design, and alternatively I am sticking my navy blue patterns and white color leaf shapes. So this is ready. After that, here I am taking 2 pieces of 1/4 in white color and 2 pieces of 1/4 in light blue color. Gather all together, fold it from center and start rolling it using pointed tweezer and making the scroll here. Similarly, I have prepared some more scrolls, and then I am taking a light green color 3 mm strip, just creating 4 loops in increasing order. Cutting excess strip, secure the end, just pinch it, make a thin strip like this, and from top just roll it using pointed tweezers. So you have beautiful paisley design. Similarly, I have prepared lots of paisley already. Then taking back my base design and taking one piece of paper, adding lots of glue on this, and then holding the scroll using pointed tweezer, dipping it on the glue and sticking on both sides of white color leaf petal. Then on both sides of medium blue color petal, I am adding these small light green color scrolls like this. So after completing, it should look like this. Then we just need to create some basic shapes. For this, I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color again and making one bended leaf shape. like this. Prepare some more with the same way and adding these leaf petals on both sides of white color leaf design like this. And this is ready. Then here I am taking half strip of medium blue color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Like this. Similarly, I have prepared some more medium blue tight coils. Also, we need some white color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips, some turquoise blue tight coils which are made using half strip, some turquoise blue color tight coils which are made using 1/4 strips, and some light green color tight coils which are made using 1/8 strips. So all these coils are ready and it's time to decorate our tea light using these basic tight coil patterns. So here I have already attached the tight coils. So we just need to add little glue on both sides of these light green color leaves. Add your medium blue tight coil. Repeating this process for remaining patterns. Then on top of this I am adding white color tight coil. And then exactly in the center I am adding turquoise blue tight coil. Then between these small scroll I am adding half strip turquoise blue tight coil. And at the end between these Malaysian flower petals I am adding these small light green color tight coils just to finish the look. And for the nice finishing from center as well, I am adding here blue color ball chain. And then decorating using some stones in medium blue color and turquoise blue color. So whatever shapes you have, you can decorate it according to your requirement or according to your choice. And if you don't have these kind of stones, you can also use small size pearls or mirrors. It's all up to you. Like this, very pretty, and our beautiful snowflake shaped tea light holder is ready. I'm sure you will try this very soon before the Christmas, and you can decorate your cozy corners using candle tea light or battery tea lights, whatever you like, and it will last forever. After the use, just wrap it in any box and you can reuse it. and you can also gift it to your nearer and family and friends. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.